Hey guys, how's it going? Andy Patlan out here at our latest rehab project in San Antonio. We are right outside of Judson, O'Connor, really right outside of Weidner, in between that area, if you know where that's at. We're at 12426 Magnifico. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1972 year built home. We have this on the market. We put this on the market on Friday. It's $169,900, 169 years to hold on to. But it's all part of the job, you know. We've seen worse. This is basically a really small trash haul that we can clean up. As you can see, we've painted the full exterior here, trim and wood board there. We had to rework the landscaping. This used to be a rental property, guys, so it was quite a mess when we took it over. We had to haul off about 4 or 5 full trailers of trash and furniture and other items before, but we're already midway through the rehab. Again, 169.9, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square feet, 1972 year built. And as you can see here, we did some of the little details. Added some light fixtures to the outside, painted the trim, painted the door. Come on in. 2-year built, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square feet. We're going to texture the inside. This is right off of IH-35 in Weidner in San Antonio. I love this model, love this floor plan. When I saw this house, I really fell in love with the functionality of it. I thought it had a lot to offer. You've got a formal living area. You've got one dining area here. You've got the arches. And some of the things that we've done already to the house and the finished product. We went with Monterey texture throughout. You can see that. A full interior repaint, new light fixtures. Okay, so while we didn't do a major remodel, we didn't knock down walls, we didn't do any additions, we didn't reconfigure the floor plan. We did spend a pretty penny in just making the house look good, feel good, updating it with some of the fixtures that we did with the lighting, with the texturing, with the paint. As you can see, gorgeous architecture. You've got a fireplace. It's got 2 living areas. It's got a dining area, breakfast nook. Guys, these are granite backsplash. We put a lip on the bar so it extends out, so you can have, you can have some meals here, or some drinks when you have some guests. Here we went with some of the cobblestone backsplash throughout. We kept the original tile floor because we feel it really gives character to the house. Easy to sell. This is going to be a turnaround project of about 3 weeks. There was nothing really wrong with the bones. Stainless steel appliances were added. You guys, again, new light fixtures, new light fixtures. This is that brushed nickel combined with that stainless steel. And then the coloring, guys, really makes this stuff pop. So we've got this on market, and in 1 weekend, we've already had 13 showings, 14 showings actually. Let me show you what the garage looks like. And obviously a trash haul. So we're gonna get that. My contractor came in and did a full epoxy paint job on the flooring, did a full interior paint, including the ceiling. Again, just to give it that extra wow factor, okay? You got your main bath here. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We've already stripped the flooring. It's got some really good, nice textured sheetrock already, so we just got to come in and do some repairs. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, bedrooms 2 and 3, main bath here. Again, more Monterey texturing. The doors were replaced. The door handles were replaced. Okay, so even though it wasn't a major remodel, it still took time, still took money. We needed to we needed about 3 weeks, almost 4 weeks to get this property from acquisition and onto the marketplace. Bedroom number 1 here. New carpet, let me point that out. While we didn't replace the tile flooring in the common areas, we did replace the carpet in the bedrooms and in that living area. So new carpet, bedroom in the back. Gorgeous, gorgeous property. We'll turn this right around. It's got a master bath. This is the master bedroom. Again, new carpet, paint on the trim, Monterey texturing, paint on the walls. They didn't do anything to the bath. We really did just kind of clean it up, make it look good. Beautiful landscaping. It's got about a 1/4 acre, almost a 1/4 acre of land. So they're glad to see that they've got somebody coming in taking care of the house and going to turn it around and make it look presentable. The exterior was repainted, both front and back exterior repaint. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous landscaping, nice big broad yard. I mean, you just don't get that in today's homes. Decking, restain the entire decking just to give it an extra wow. But these are the type of projects that we like to bring to you. Stuff that we know is going to sell, stuff that we know is going to bring you that return on investment. If you want to get into this flip game, call me. I'm 15 years in the business. My name is Andy Patlan. My number 512-784-0048. Hablamos.